Just playing.
I wonder what girls like that think about.
Oddly satisfying.
Get this. Do you know how people start away when we look at something we love? Cheeseburger, can I see what you look like without a hat?
Oh, yeah.
Huh? Cheeseburger! Please let me know if I ever make you upset or uncomfortable with my dumb pranks. Or when I break the wall of physics.
What? Don't worry. You never upset me. I think it's funny. But I appreciate you double checking.
Of course.
You're not the only one that can break physics, you know.
Oh yeah. Huh? Ah! Cheeseburger! You can do anything!
Anything?
Anything!
Anything?
Wait, not that! Hey, loaf. Loaf! Why are you so young? You little rascal, what do you have to say for yourself? Understood. You're clear of all crimes. Hey, ice cream. Is there anything you're afraid of?
I dance with darkness.
It takes a heck of a lot to scare me.
How about this?
Look how tiny my face is.
A child.
You are very tiny and cute, but you're too dang rowdy.
I got the zoomies. I shall never cease. I'm gonna.
You all ever wish that you just belong?
You do belong.
You misunderstand. Long. Love this guy. You all wish you could be good as him. Maybe if you stand, you'd.
Maybe you just got arrested.
Oh no.
Hello, my friend. You are so very precious to me.
Why are you talking like that?
I started doing it ironically, but now I can't stop.
Stop! You're gonna spread the cause.
Too late. You are afflicted.
Blast you!